Welcome, Bairstow's Basics. We got one request for a spring seasonal product from the United Kingdom. So we've got beautiful English asparagus from the Wye Valley. We are going to do thick asparagus with hollandaise sauce. So I'm going to make like a béarnaise hollandaise, but without the tarragon. It's going to be wild garlic instead. Over to you, Johnny. What have you got?
It's not like you to have some garlic, Ben.
Wild garlic, wild garlic.
So I've just got, mixed veg. I've got some onions, I've got some eggs, I've got some mustard, and I've got asparagus.
I've got an equivalent to a twig. That's a twig. That's my asparagus.
Oh, that's skinny.
I'm going to be cooking with super thin asparagus. I'm going to make my hollandaise with orange. I've got a little crusty blood orange I found in the fruit bowl. I've got some mandarins. I'm going to make my hollandaise with some Fanta. I haven't got any vinegar. So I'm going to use a bit of Fanta, and then because I need some more acidity, I've got some of this.
Citric acid.
Citric acid. Natural descaler. That's going to have acidity, and then I'm going to cook my asparagus with a bit of rosemary, and then I'm going to finish it all off, season it with some nice and spicy knick-knack.
Yeah, I'm much more traditional. Obviously, I got this beautiful asparagus, as you can see. I got some frozen pea. Yeah, I'm gonna add a little bit of spinach, a little bit of onion and garlic. We have some parsley from my garden and some mint as well from my garden. And we're gonna add a touch of some saffron that I got in house, and I'm gonna do an hollandaise. Instead of the vinegar, I'm gonna add this is Amaro Montenegro, which is a kind of liqueur that we normally have after dinner.
We're gonna start. So you need a pan, nice and hot. We're gonna put the vinegar, Fanta, whatever that thing Davide's got in, straight to the pan. Yeah. So we're gonna get the reduction on first. So we've got the peppercorns, I've got my wild garlic or onions, and I've got the vinegar in a pan. And we're just gonna reduce it down to about a tablespoon. So nice and hot pan, reducey, lovely.
In my reduction, I'm going to add some of the special citric acid. I'm also going to put a bit of rosemary into my reduction.
But first of all, we're going to prep the asparagus. So when you do the asparagus, very important. Where it snaps, that's where it's good. So where it snaps.
Ben, what are you doing? How are you cooking your asparagus?
I'm doing mine on the grill.
Okay, I'm going to do mine dry fry.
Dry fry.
So my asparagus is going to be asparagus in the pan, just as is. And then add a little bit of olive oil and a touch of water. Just a mixture of butter paper lying about. Put the butter paper on top, put a lid on top of that, and then stick it under a high heat.
Look at that. So on the reduction, that's all I've got left, Johnny. Look at that. There's just like a spoonful of that vinegar.
I've not got anything.
I just put a little bit more in then.
I'm just gonna cook the asparagus more or less the same way that Jockey did. So I'm just gonna put some parsley, some salt, a drizzle of olive oil, and some cold water. So I start with the cold pan, okay? Just to keep the nice and green color to the asparagus. Guys, how the hollandaise going?
I've not started it.
Right, so you got your boiling water on with the bowl.
Yep.
Egg yolks and vinegar in there. Oh, look at that confused face.
In my hollandaise, I'm going to do 3 egg yolks, but I'm also going to add a touch of mustard.
Hey.
Touch of water as well, in with the egg yolks. Hot water to start it.
So I'm nearly there with the hollandaise. I'm gonna add a little bit more of lemon, just to cut the sweetness of the Amaro Montenegro. A bit more of salt. That's it. A little bit more of butter. Right, I'm gonna start to put on my pea, but I'm gonna do an emulsion. I'm gonna do an emulsion for the piece, okay? So I'm gonna start with a little bit of finely sliced onion, little bit of garlic goes in, olive oil. I'm gonna just give a little bit of color to this beautiful filament of saffron. Parsley in, knob of butter. That goes on. Touch of water. And when the emulsion is ready, I just gonna add the pea defrosted, okay? So it's gonna cook in about 1-2 minutes the piece, okay?
That's the kind of texture you're looking for in your eggs. It's nice and creamy. And then we'll start adding the butter.
I'm just gonna check on the asparagus. They're nice and crunchy. This is what I want, so I'm gonna switch them off.
Yeah, so my asparagus is done in like 3 minutes, and I pulled it off the side and just let it carry on cooking.
How's your asparagus, Johnny?
Yeah, it's looking all right.
There you
Still
go.
green.
This is mine.
Bonus. So for my hollandaise, I've got my lovely hollandaise here. I'm going to add garlic to that, and then I'm going to add just a tiny bit of citrus to that, just salt and pepper.
That's what my reduction looks like. So I put also put some of that blood orange into with the Fanta acid.
Wow.
I'm not going to lie to you. I don't have one.
You don't have what?
Any reduction.
What? Where did it go?
Well, it's evaporated. I think my hollandaise is coming up all right there.
It's looking good. I like your setup. Look at that. That's it. Done. You're done.
Woohoo!
Take that off. Season it.
Yeah, salt and pepper.
Salt and pepper, and then you can either add a little bit of lemon juice, or you can just do a couple of splashes of vinegar to give it a bit of acidity.
Right. Just want to show you my emotion for the piece. Okay. Nice and ready. So I'm gonna go in with a nice handful of peas.
So for me, to finish it off, I've got some beautiful broad beans, and I've got a little bit of red wine vinegar. This has been barrel aged in London from our friends over at Vinegar Shed. I'm just going to put, and then I've got beautiful wild garlic. Not a surprise I'm using wild garlic oil. So we've got grilled asparagus, looking good.
Yeah, I'm going to season my hollandaise with some of the mandarin cream, but I just finely grated, salt, pepper, and also some chopped rosemary as well. So it's like an orange, rosemary, hollandaise.
My piece are ready with the saffron, beautiful garlic, onion. Okay, I add some of the trimmings of the asparagus that I cut before when I cleaned them. And at this point, I'm gonna add just a few leaves of spinach, just to give it a little bit more of green in there. Let me check on the asparagus. Nice and crunchy.
I'm going to also, for my garnish, I'm going to chop some knick-knack.
Some naughty knickknacks. Look at that knife. What's that knife all about? The chef only needs 2 knives. One of them's a spoon and one of them's a spatula.
So I'm just going to add the same, have some frozen peas. I use the asparagus, slice them up, just warm that up with a little bit of oil, salt and pepper, and then I'll put the asparagus. And then I've got some of this, because it's Peruvian, Peruvian Andes pink salt with limo chili. The orange hollandaise. And then I'll top
Wow.
some knickknacks. Knick-knack, asparagus, Fanta hollandaise.
That is something special. Davide, you're up next.
Look at that. Look at that. Oh, maybe a bit of pepper.
Oh, nice. Good touch. Davide, you up.
Looks great, Joe. Looks great, Jockey. I'm ready to plate as well, Ben. Can I plate it off? Or you want to go first? You want to go first or can go?
You go.
So I got my beautiful and lovely asparagus. Look at the color that they got. Nice. We're just going to put it there. I'm going to add some fresh, just roughly chopped like that, parsley, mint, my peas, spinach and onion. Look. Just gonna plate it like this. Like that. A little bit of this beautiful butter and saffron emulsion. And we're gonna finish it off with our Amaro Montenegro Hollandaise. And here we go.
Look at that.
Here we go.
Tutto buono. Look at that.
I'm not sure about my hollandaise sauce here, chaps.
Let's have a look. Let's have a look.
Well, yeah, it keeps going really thick. What we've got, I've already started plating a bit, so I've still got my mixed veg and my asparagus.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I've got my mixed veg, my asparagus, and then I'm going to add my hollandaise sauce to it.
Boom.
Don't forget the season, Johnny. Don't forget the season.
Oof.
Non si sale però.
Bit of salt.
And there, we have a bit of salt on it, a bit of pepper.
Banging. Look at that, Johnny.
Look at that. That is, right, mine. I've just got the asparagus grilled. I've just got a little bit of dressed broad beans on top. I'm just going to put just a little bit of the hollandaise. Don't want it too eggy. Don't want it too rich. And then I've got just a little bit more of the vinaigrette, green oil to go around the outside. Look at that.
Oh, super tasty, Ben. That looks great. Look at that.
I would like to try this Fanta Hollandaise, Jockey. I want to try this Fanta Hollandaise.
Let's put
Look
it.
at that. That is an absolute. That is beautiful, Johnny. You should be so proud.
This is spring. This is spring in a plate.
Episode 4 of Besto's Basic. Right. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you very much, everyone.